wow. You can totally see me in the mirror. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. In the comments, one of you said every time I show this room, I change the headboard. So I'm not gonna change it today because I'm not predictable. Well, maybe a little when it comes to mini brands. But today is an exciting day because we have a new baby. I bought it from this Etsy shop. Shipping did take a minute, but I just know it's gonna be worth it. The box is all pretty. Just like real life children, this baby's gonna cost ya. Aw, there's a card and birth certificates. I love when they do that. And yes, there are two. Here's the Instagram at the bottom. Can you see that? And once again, here is the Etsy shop. And now, without further ado, here are our newest babies. When I first started down this silicone baby road, I was like, yeah, we're just gonna get one famous last words. Famous last words. It's a slippery slope because look at that face. Oh my goodness. She is beautiful. Sorry, I'm having a moment. She's got Bella cheeks. Bella had cheeks just like this when she was a baby. Oh my goodness, I'm not getting emotional. She came with two little bottles. They are squishy, like silicone, and we can pretend to feed her. And they look pretty cute on our little changing table. With our hot glue teething ring from our Random Doll Stuff 12 video. Just a little shameless promotion. Let's pull the ribbon. Aww, she's wrapped up so cute. Then unfold the blanket to reveal our little baby. And I'm just looking at all these details. The blanket is really cute. It has a scalloped edge. There's a print on one side, and it is fleece on the other. Our new little baby has eyelashes, cute little pouty lips, rosy cheeks. Since this is a silicone baby, it is soft to the touch. We have a little bit of a squish there. However, it's a firmer silicone baby than my earlier ones. This little hand here is balled up, and this one we can see little fingers. Do you see those tiny little fingers? And the toes. This little baby is wearing a little hat and a little pink onesie with polka dots. It has buttons in the back, and this little baby is very special because we've got ears, little tiny elf ears. I couldn't help myself. Now this Etsy shop does have normal little human babies or normies. It's just that when I saw that I had an opportunity to get little pointy ears, I jumped on it. Are you really surprised? You know I love sci-fi and fantasy. And the way I see it, when I want the baby to look human, we can just put the little hat back on. And nobody has to know. This baby is a good size for our 1/6 scale world, being a little under 3 inches. She is about the same size as a Barbie baby. So everything we've made for our 1/6 scale babies so far should fit. Here's the diaper and our little dress. Here she is with our little baby gym and playmat on the changing table and in the bassinet. Okay, so we need a name. I have been thinking about this, and I think we came up with the perfect one. This name had some popularity in the 60s, then made a comeback in the 80s, according to babynames.com. And the name we have chosen for our newest silicone baby is Starla, because this is not an ordinary baby. Remember, we bought two. Inspired by Avatar, this is also Starla. wrapped in brown fabric and tied up with jute. Then open the little blanket to see our little avatar baby. Painted all over with little avatar markings, and look at those ears. They're adorable and they're pink on the tips. And there's a tail. And their faces are the same. Blue Starla even has lashes. Okay, so why do we have two baby Starlas? Because this one turns into that one in my miniverse. If it sounds strange, just wait. Hopefully, it'll all be explained. These babies are made with their mouths slightly open, and we can kind of feed them with a Barbie bottle. But I think our little baby Starlas are super cute, and I am over the moon with how they turned out. See what I did there? Starla, moon. Hopefully, it'll all make sense later. But right now, we are about to get Extra Fly. There are new Barbie Extra dolls popping up on Amazon. I ordered this doll on May 2nd for $24.99. The packaging looks like luggage. There's a little wheel detail at the bottom and a handle at the top. The box says Barbie Extra Fly, so we have a little travel theme here. There's a little extra travel icon in the top corner, images that look like stickers on the sides. On the back, we can see the doll. It says 15 styling pieces. There's a picture of all the dolls in the line. There is a Barbie Extra Ken, and he is the only one I wasn't able to order. But don't worry, I'm keeping an eye out. I don't see a doll number. However, the dolls do appear to have different themes. This one is safari fashion with a large pink hat. It has a little buckled detail molded to the hat. This doll has long hair that might require a little attention out of the box because box hair is a thing. This doll has brown, turquoise, and pink hair. The turquoise is in the back, then it's mainly pink on one side and brown on the other. This doll has a shiny face screening and is a tiny bit pixelated. This is a curvy Barbie with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and that's a single hinge at the elbow. There is rotation at the hip, and this doll can bend at the knee. That feels like a single hinge as well. Her feet are on a slight incline. She has a silver bracelet on one hand, a gold-colored bracelet on the other, large triangular earrings with a parrot. Are they finally removable? That's a no. She wears a gold-colored compass necklace on a chain, wears a gold-colored fanny pack or hip bag, gold-colored boots, which I like. The fabric for her outfit is a pink, sparkly animal print that looks like hearts. The top is crop with long sleeves, faux front pockets with little button details, little sewn details on the shoulder. It has a collar and Velcros in the front. She comes with matching pants that Velcro in the back. And I like how the print on the fabric continues all the way around. This doll has a large paperboard plane ticket, a doll-sized ticket, and a little folded over passport. There's a pink suitcase with painted straps on the front. Love that. We have lots of little stickers. There's a little luggage tag that is shaped like a leaf. It says Barbie Extra Fly. However, the painted details are only on the front and the back is not painted. But it does open, so we have some storage there. This doll also comes with gold-colored heart binoculars with a turquoise strap and a small accessory hanging from the side. I think this is a fun and cute little detail. It looks like we can remove the little accessory, and attach it to the fanny pack or hip bag. There's an animal theme neck pillow with little paws. However, I just realized there's no animal, as in no Barbie Extra Pet. Personally, I'm good with that. If the pets were traded for these larger bags, all I can say is, yeah! And if you are taking requests, made to move bodies would be nice. Just throwing that out there. Before we go, I feel like our little babies could use something new. I was working on a pattern for a boppy, and then I kind of traced something on top of it and it got all messed up. But I think we can fix it. Let's trace over it with a marker so it's dark enough for us to trace over it again. Now that we have our pattern, I cut out a second one without the seam allowance. I get 2 layers of fabric. Make sure they are bigger than the pattern with the seam allowance. Lay them good side to good side. I'm taking the pattern without the seam allowance and placing it on top. Trace around it, sew on the line drawn with a needle and thread or a sewing machine, leaving an opening on one side. Trim off the excess, make small cuts around the curves to release the tension, then flip it inside out through the opening. Add pillow stuffing or fluff, sew the opening closed to make a miniature boppy or a nursing pillow that we can use to prop our little miniature baby up. I'm kinda loving baby Starla. I think her face is super cute. I like that she is a firmer silicone. I'm not as worried about ripping off a limb when dressing her. And I think her art style looks great with a Barbie. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a new silicone baby. Babies. And one of the new Barbie Extra Fly dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.